In this video tutorial, we will demonstrate how to register a service or proxy to your VVX device. For this demo, we will be registering a service to our VVX D230. First, access your device's web portal. Then, in the web portal, click on Service Providers, and select an ITSP profile. For this demo, we will be using ITSP Profile A. Then, click on SIP. In this demo, we will be using VoIP MS as our VoIP provider. Hit the Submit button to make the configuration changes. Now, click on Voice Services, and select an SP service to register your device to it. For this demo, we will be using SP1 service. Input the SP service's phone number under the parameter X display number. Then, scroll down to SIP credentials, and enter your auth username and auth password according to the credentials provided by your VoIP service provider. Once you're done with that, hit the Submit button, and don't forget to press the Reboot button after that to ensure configuration changes are successfully implemented. If you'd like to refer to a written guide for setting up a service or proxy for your device, we have included a link to it in the description of this video below.